Jai Hind students, this is Shabnam Ara welcoming you all to the channel Free Learning. So this is the second part of the poem Father William. So let's get started. You are old, said the youth, and your jaws are too weak for anything tougher than sweat. Yet you finish the goose with the bones and the beak. Pray, how did you manage to do it? As we read in the previous stanzas, the young man asking the questions to his father. He is old and he is doing exercises, standing on his head constantly, and he is uncommonly fat. Still, he is too quick, too active, like a young man. So he was surprised. He is surprised. The young man is surprised and asking the question to his father, how you can manage it. In this series of questions, he is again asking the question to Father William. As I have told you that you are old and your jaws are too weak to chew the tougher food items as the old person's jaws are. But being old, you still able to finish the goose. The goose is the male duck. You are able to finish the goose with its bones and beaks. How it is possible to manage to do it for you? I am surprised. Please let me know how it is possible to do it for you. At this, Father William replied to his son, when I was youth, in my youth, said Father William, I took to the law and argued each case with my wife, and the muscular strength which it gave to me, to my jaw, has lasted the rest of my life. So let's see what he answered to his son. When young man asked the question, as you are old and you also being old, you also able to finish the whole goose with its bone and beans, how you can manage it. I'm very much surprised to see it. At this, Father William replied to his son that when I was young, means in my youth, when he was young, he took to the law. He took to the law means he was a disciplined person. He always followed the rules and regulation, means he was a disciplined person, and argued each case with my wife, and always argued each case in each conversation or any kind of argumentation with his wife. So his muscular strength of his jaws increased by arguing with his wife in young age, and this strength is everlasting with his life. This muscular strength of his jaws, he is saying that by doing argument with his wife in young age, he has got the strength in his jaws, and this strength is everlasting with his life. Okay. Again, young man started asking the question. You are old, said the youth. One would hardly suppose that your eye was as steady as ever. Yet you balanced an eel on the end of your nose. What made you so awfully clever? See what he is asking again. You are old, said the young man to Father William. One would hardly suppose too that your eye was as steady as ever. He is surprised that in such an old age, when the person growing weak with the growing age, but Father William eyes also is very good working, in proper working, and he is strength and steady as ever. He is able to balance an eel on the tip of his nose. on the tip of his nose means he is too much concentrated and his eyesight is too much good, perfectly working, that he can balance an eel. An eel is a fish like a snake. The fish looks like a snake and it is very slippery fish. So the young man is very much surprised to say that you can balance an eel on the tip of your nose. How it is possible to do it for you? I'm too much surprised. How can you cleverly, very smartly manage it to do it? Hmm. The last stanza of the poem is, I have answered 3 questions and that is enough, said his father. Don't give yourself ears. Do you think I can listen all day to such stuff? Be off or I'll kick you downstairs. Let's see what happened at the end. When the young man asking a question again and again to Father William, at last, ultimately he was annoyed and said to the young man, I have answered you 3 questions and that is now enough for you. Now I am not ready to give you any more answers of your any questions, said his father. Don't give yourself airs. Don't be too much free with me. Don't try to behave a superior person before me. Otherwise, I am telling to you, do you think I can listen all day to such stuff? Are you thinking that I am ready to listen to you whole day? This kind of questions. So be off. Be off means now stop. Otherwise, I'll kick you downstairs. I'll kick you and you will be downstairs. Means you will fallen down from the stairs. See what happened? Father William became angry to the young man, to his son, because he was making him irritate by asking the questions again and again. Thank you everyone. I hope you will like my video. So subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.